Okay, grade 3, time for read aloud. Today we are going to read about Mardi Gras and Carnival. As you are writing a paragraph on Carnival, so in this regard, you can get the information from this book also, that how you can arrange and how you can tell about the Carnival in a paragraph. Let's see what this book is telling you. Mardi Gras and Carnival. These are the contents of the book. First of all, what is Mardi Gras? Mardi Gras is a festive holiday. People dress up and throw parties. People have fun at the celebrations and parties. Mardi Gras falls on a different Tuesday between February 3 and March 9 every year. Means every year they are celebrating the Mardi Gras. You can see what kind of dresses, what kind of costumes they are wearing. Oh, that's delicious. Now we are also making that. You have listened that word earlier also in the lesson plan, Lent. Lent and Mardi Gras. Lent is a time when Christmas gave up something. It lasts for 40 days. Lent begins on Ash Wednesday and ends on Easter Sunday. Christians believe that Jesus is the Son of God and that he rose from dead on Easter Sunday. Jesus was crucified or killed on a cross on Good Friday. Crucified. Christians believe that Jesus gives up his life for people. They gave up something during Lent to remember what Jesus gave up for them. What is Carnival? Mardi Gras has different names. Many people from around the world call this festival time Carnival. Carnival season begins on January 6 and lasts 4 weeks. The last day of the carnival is Mardi Gras. Did you know Mardi Gras means Fat Tuesday in French? Carnival means goodbye to meat in ancient language. That means people just leave eating meat in these days. People feasted on meat during winter festival. They eat it all before it went bad. Another name for Mardi Gras is Shavuot. It begins 3 days before Lent. Sharov means to have confessed or told. Christians confess their sins before Shavuot. History of Mardi Gras. Long ago, people held winter festival to make their gods happy. They believed these gods would bring spring and new crops to earth. That means they are celebrating Mardi Gras to make their gods happy, so that that gods may bring the spring season and also they may grow good crops. Mardi Gras foods. Some people call Mardi Gras Pancake Tuesday because they were making pancakes in these days and use up their eggs before Lent. Or today, many still enjoy pancakes on these holidays. They were making pancakes with the help of eggs before Lent because during Lent they just leave meat and other things. You can see here they are having the different kind of occasions, different kind of costumes and different kind of things on this carnival. And this is called the secret clubs, where people secretly plan parades and parties. And this happens in the United States of America. And these are called crews. People in Brazil call them samba schools. Every club has a special name. Dressing up. Now you can see that what kind of dress this person is having here, and you can see the crown, and here they are having the mask on their faces. And mask can be scary or it can be funny, it can be of anything. Now here you can see the dresses of these peoples and how they are wearing the mask and crowns on their heads, big and small. Look at, I have told you now they can make any mask, and here they are wearing the mask of animals also. Bulls. Okay, carnival parades today. Today, Mardi Gras parades are held in many different cities around the world. Groups of people design a moving platform called a float. Floats are built on the top of a vehicle or pulled by one. These are the floating top of a vehicle moves, and these kind of things are happening in the parades. People can pull that things, or they are using the vehicles also. Can you see, every float is having a theme, and this is also a moving float. Downwards below here there are wheels under these, and due to that wheels it's moving. Every float has a theme. Many are of giant figures such as gods or heroes. Different cultures hold very different looking parades. Everywhere they are celebrating this carnival according to their religion, according to their beliefs, what they have to do. Costume balls. Mardi Gras is a time for dressing up, going to the parties. Many secret clubs plan costume balls. A ball is a dance party. People dress up in fancy clothes. At a costume ball, you can be a clown, a princess, or whatever you want to be. You can be anything. Can you see here? It's having a face or a mask of pig. It can be anything. Here, beautiful dresses, costumes they like to wear, and they are doing the dance. They are choosing the kings, and kings are chosen for Mardi Gras parades and costume balls, and people are choosing their king. Music of carnival. Music is very fast, it's very loud, and no one is going to create any kind of problem while the music is going on in the parades. People love singing, dancing, and having fun. Different cultures are having different kind of musics. Some are playing some kind of games are also there. Some are giving out some kind of costumes or another things in the parades. You can see the children are also the part of these costumes. And people love this carnival. Here you can see in the carnival they have made the house or a palace with the help of ice bricks. That's interesting now, what happens in the carnival. People are very happy during this festival.